Hi guys, my name is LyricRochester. Welcome to my channel. For this month of November, I'm putting up a video every single day. Yes. Okay, so this video is this look, and it is actually a look inspired by Savannah Sylver. She had over 74,000 followers on Instagram, and she lost them. She has a video on how everything went down. So in honor of her, to show her respect, because she is the original, she is an OG YouTuber. Like, she is just it. She's the one, y'all are not gonna believe this, she's the one who created wigs, like making wigs your own self, DIY wigs. She's the one who created it. She's the very first one to do it on YouTube. Remember me tell you that. Carry that boy bank. So this is me showing an homage to her, and go ahead and follow her on our new Instagram page, Savannah Sylver. She deserves our love, she deserves our support, but most importantly, she deserves our respect. See you later, baby mother. Enjoy the video. Oh, it's a talk through. Eyes only though. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by doing my brow bone, and I'm actually going to be using my loose powder from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica for my brow bone area. You know, you have to say with accent, so it is more better. Yes, more better is to say around. Anyway, so I'm going in with my lace powder, and I have on my foundation and everything already, and that's just because of the sake of time. I really wanted this to be a talk through. I'm going to see if I can kind of move swiftly with my eye makeup, but I want this to be a talk through, because for the past couple of videos, you guys, I have been playing music. I think for 2 videos I played music. Are you guys seeing anything at all? Anyway, yeah. So our queen, if you guys don't know who the Island Beauty is, sue me. Savannah Sylver, I don't know, and you're first of all, if you don't know who she is and you're Jamaican, I feel so bad for you. If you don't know who she is and you are this hair skin color, I feel bad for you, honey. Because the Island Beauty, formerly known as the Island Beauty, her name is now Savannah Sylver. I think on all social media platforms, I think. She had 74,000 followers on Instagram, and once she said that if you watch her video, she tell you guys how everything went down in her video. But basically, Instagram took it, and when Instagram took it and gear back, like, she not nobody panicked at all. Like, everything just gone to the dogs. So she lost all 74,000, so she has to be starting back from scratch. Now, I just want to say this, with the Island Beauty, with Sumi, with Savannah Sylver, this is a look, which you guys saw in the intro anyway, but I'm just looking at it for reference, and I'll be doing a couple of her looks for this series, and I'm going to tell you guys why, because I have some drama for this series. I was about to tell you guys, but anyway, so yeah, so let's use this brush, and this is my perfect bronze powder. I use it to low light. But yeah, so I actually, when I watch the video, come I see the video on YouTube, I say, John, I'm not even to realize I'm not even a seer. You understand? Because even with Instagram, for me, you know, if I don't turn on my post notifications, like, I don't know who I'm not seeing, if that makes sense. Like, after turning on my post notification, I just say, oh, someone's posted something. If not, like, it can easily get lost in the amount of people that I follow. Which is why, you see, if you're following like 10 people, 15 people, I really don't care. Or 100 people, it doesn't matter to me, because those are the people that you genuinely want to follow, and you really, really want to see their content. So, long story short, I'm going to see the video where she put up. I mean, I say my blood cleanse. But look how they are good, nasty nothing from something them. I'm going to double check again. Nasty nothing from her. I'm going to think for things, say, is there something wrong? Is it me? For Savannah Sylver, who I'm referring to in this video, she's just an OG, and she deserves respect. She deserves more than followers. I'm using Tangerine from the Watch Me blush palette from the crayon case. She deserves respect. You understand? She's definitely one of the OG YouTubers. And one thing I've always loved about her is her background. Woo! Like homegirl's background is always sorted. But anyways, I'm paying homage to Savannah Sylver, and I'm actually going to ask you guys if you see it possible in your night souls to follow her on Instagram. She lost $74,000. I'm gonna follow her on all of mine them, because you know I tell you guys I manage Pome Fitness, Pome by LyricRochester International, Jamaican makeup artist, and LyricRochester 5. And honey, I just went and I followed her on each and every one of those platforms. Yeah. So again, it's Savannah Sylver, and this look is paying homage to her, my baby mother. Okay, so this series has been really, it's taking a toll on me, you know what I mean? Like, it's a lot of work. And usually when I'm doing series like this, if I'm doing like 5 videos in a month, I mean if I'm doing videos for the entire month, I usually start prepping like 3 or so weeks a month before, you know what I mean? Hold on, I have to keep checking. Some green, pink, purple. So alright then, so what I'm going to use is my no filter concealer from Colourpop, and this is in the color medium 26. And I've always wanted to use this as like a base, so I'm going to be using it as a base. I actually have my Pro Primer in white, excuse me, from LA Girl, that I can use, but I want to use that instead. So I'm just going to go, you know, I should just put it on my eye and then blend it out. That much should I do? Put it on my eye and then blend it out. But anyway, yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Hold on, guys. Wow, it dries fast. Maybe because I have powder underneath. This is so much that I put it on my eye and then blend it out. Yo guys, this video is gonna be long because I don't want to cut. I probably cut my other eye, as in don't record my other eye, just record this one eye. Oh yes, I was talking about drama for this series. So much drama. My house is under renovations, right? So I invited 3 makeup artists, Jamaican makeup artists, to do my makeup, and I had to keep on cancelling them. I invited Monique, Daniel, and Ken. Oh boy, I'm gonna want them feel like I'm gonna take them for idiot, but true, you know, the house become when I don't want to feel tidy. Just feel lazy, I don't feel tidy up. So I haven't been able to get them here because of that, but I really want to get them on before the month is over. Alright, so that's that. Yeah, I think I want to go up a little bit more with this. But I will add it to Colourpop. This thing dries quickly. I don't know if because I have powders underneath, you know, the powder makes it, the liquid make it dry quicker. I don't know, but it's drying down nicely. Alright, it's kind of damp still. I'm going to, what color did she use? So I'm going to be using Outsider from the YKmucu blush palette. It's this green here. Is it okay? It's right in here, and then I believe she used that purple. So that's Outsider. Whoa, excuse me guys. Then the pink, what she used, I'm going to be using magenta, and that's from the Crayon Case palette. Magenta, that color there. and I'm feathering it on. So I'm going in, applying most of the color in the corner, and whatever is left, I'm just feathering it onto magenta. See? So it's nice and blended. Then I'm actually going to be taking violet, same brush I used to put outsider on. I'm just flipping the brush around. Then I'm going to be taking violet, again from the Crayon Case palette, and that's going to go right out here. So I'm just laying the color on top of each other. Then use the corner of the brush, like right here, the corner of the brush, to kind of feather it. Cleaning off a little, flipping the brush back around, and I'm going back with outside of the very first color I laid, and I'm patting it on in the middle, where I'm depositing most of the color. And then I'm just going to feather it, again using the corners of the brush to feather the color onto the other two colors. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, so my eyes are not done, but I'm just, you know, carrying on. So I'm going to line my eyes with my LA Pro Primer in black. Then this is the brush I've been using to apply the violet, the pink. So I'm going to use it to blend out the Pro Primer. Alright, then I am going to clean off my brush a little bit. Then I'm going to be taking blue from the Crayon Case palette. Blue. I'm going to put it right on my lash line or below my lash line. So to give that blue look she had. Right here. I'm just going to tap it on. Can you see? Tapping it on there. There we go. I'm just brush away any fallout that's there. Then I'm going to be going in with this brush here. That brush here? No, let me see. Hold on. Let's see if we can. Nope. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one. It's like a tapered blending brush from my brush line, the Kiba brush line that you always. Then I'm going to be taking Berries from the Watch Me Blush palette. And put it right at the end here and just kind of blend it up. Then I'm going to be taking black from the Crayon Case palette, and I'm going to be putting it right in between. So I'm using the tip of the brush and I'm applying the colors. clean off the brush and then blend out. And I'm going to take the orange, what's it called, Tangerine, from the Watch Me blush palette, and kind of just go in between, like right above where I just placed the berry color and the black. Then clean off a little bit and then just kind of flick to kind of show the darker colors. Alright, what else? I think I want to put something light here, so I'm going with the concealer, and then my brush, and then this brush again. What music though? What am I going to go in with? Oh, I can use the lighter blue. I can use the baby blue. This blue right here. Alright, so I'm going to apply my lashes and then I'll be right back. These lashes take forever to apply, so I'm applying them off camera because they're like the plastic, they're like the cheap ones that come in the case, like the pack of 5. But you guys, it's so stiff. It just, oh my gosh, I don't like it at all. But it was a nice cheap alternative. It was just $1,000 for 5 of them. So I make it do what it do. And look, I'm using my lash glue, not hair glue, only because Chantel teeth my hair glue. Chantel, if you're watching this, I want my hair glue. So, yeah. Alright, for my lips, I'm going to be using Wish and this ColourPop X Delilah. I've been wearing this for a very long time. I've been wearing it since I got it. Now, Savannah's lips are glossy. I'm going to keep mine matte. And for my glow, I'm going to be using Cinnamon from Fenty Beauty. And I'm going to blend that out. Just clean, just. Excuse me then. Yeah, I'm going to be taking Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. I will leave that in. It's the only club being to go there. Don't overdo it. Lord God, I'm overdo it. Lord God. It's been overdone. Lord God. I'm going to try and fix it. Ooh. Alright, so here we am. Here am we. Yes. I'm done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hold on. Let us go. Yes. There we go. So I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I don't think I like the glow. So let me just tone it down. Nice. I'd have liked this like curly hair if it was black, but I'm gonna have the blonde one. So this is Lucky, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, do not forget to support Savannah Sylver on Instagram. Follow her. She's extremely inspirational. I will definitely extremely inspirational, and I will definitely be doing 2 more looks from her Instagram page, and I'll be telling y'all to follow her. Y'all gonna think she's like my baby mother. You know, like you know what I'm saying? Okay. Alright guys, talk in the next video. Bye guys. See, it dries matte. It isn't bad. It's not bad at all.